Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ciera Michelle. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, cousin? What's up? In today's video, I'm just going to be trying the Bentonite Clay Mask all over my hair and my face. Really, I've already used this mask several times on my face and it's been pretty good. It's really giving me a polished look. It's really came through for my skin. So today we're just gonna put this mask all over my hair in the hopes of seeing whether or not this will tighten my curl pattern. Apple cider vinegar. We have a glass container. I feel like the glass containers are it's more easier to clean once you get done with everything. I feel like using plastic is a little bit harder to clean. So I have a glass container along with a plastic spoon that I'm going to throw away. This is the same as Aztec Healing Clay. It's just a different name, a different brand. So I'm going to just be pouring at least 3 to 5 scoops of this into this bowl. The apple cider vinegar really works good in making the extraction. I don't know, I feel like it really does make your, I don't know, it does something to my skin. I can't put my finger on it, but as you guys can see, I put the mask on last night and this morning I feel like I woke up with my skin glowing naturally. My face is about to become so stiff that I can't talk. So now that I have this all over my face and my hair, I'm gonna see y'all after everything dries up. My face is already drying and it's itching, and it's only itching because I want to scratch it because it's drying and it's tightening my skin, and my hair is probably gonna take a minute for it to dry. So I'll see y'all and let y'all know how long it took for my hair to dry. Ooh, I can
Play confessions and our bodies blend.
So after rinsing out my hair, I haven't put anything in my hair. I just want to show you guys the texture of it, and this is it. The curls pretty much are luscious. My hair is becoming more dry and just a tad bit bitter. Not bitter, but a tad bit on the unhealthy side. So I can't say that I've noticed anything as far as my curls becoming more tighter, because this is my natural curl pattern. My curls are really like this. It's like this for me. But I will say I noticed that my hair is more softer, and it is wet right now, so I don't want to be biased. I'm gonna have to say I'm gonna have to try this a few more times to see if it actually works to tighten your curls. So as always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and subscribing.